There is one very important piece of information that we need to establish first, which is the difference between color correction and color grading. They're often confused as one thing. Color correction is getting the image to look right, look as natural as possible. Color grading is the art of giving a look to the image, changing the way the image looks. Let's take a look at this image now. I'm going to change the look of the image in different ways. This is the original file, of course. This is a very natural look. You can see how the sky changed color here. Another look, another look. This one looks a bit gloomy, and another look, and another look. Every different look will give your audience a different feeling, will put your audience in a different place, in a different time. And this is the main job of Resolve, is to change the way an image looks. So color grading is a part of the story here. Imagine a horror film that is graded like a comedy. It would never work. Take a look at this image. This might be the right way to correct it, but this is a more pleasing look. Take a look at this image. Take a look at the color corrected image. And take a look at the color graded image. And this is one way to change the image in a way that adds to the story.